Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore everything you need to know about the beauty products you love and the ones you might want to try. If you're on the hunt for skincare that targets both hydration and the visible signs of aging, you might want to stick around for today's review of the Neutrogena Skin Vitals Regenerating Duo. This duo combines their Visible Repair Regenerating Cream and the Hydro Boost SPF 50 Facial Moisturizer. Let's break down how these two products stack up. The Neutrogena Skin Vitals Regenerating Duo is designed to address skin concerns like fine lines, hydration, and protection from the sun. The set includes two key products, a 1.7-ounce jar of Visible Repair Retinol Cream and a 1.7 fluid-ounce bottle of Hydro Boost SPF 50 Facial Moisturizer. Both are formulated with hyaluronic acid, a powerful hydrating ingredient that's recommended by dermatologists for its ability to retain moisture within the skin surface. Both products are fragrance-free and free from parabens, mineral oil, and dyes, which makes them suitable for those with sensitive skin. I've been using this duo for the past few weeks, and here's what I found. The Visible Repair Retinol Cream has a rich yet lightweight texture. It's hydrating but doesn't feel heavy, which is a big plus for a retinol cream. The formula features retinol to help target the appearance of fine lines and dark spots, while the hyaluronic acid adds an extra layer of moisture. I've applied it mainly in the evening, and I love how it feels after application. Smooth and nourished without any irritation, which can sometimes happen with retinol. My skin definitely looks a bit brighter, and I've noticed that fine lines around my eyes are starting to look softer. Now, the Hydro Boost SPF 50 moisturizer is equally impressive. I've used it both in the morning before applying makeup and on its own. The texture is ultra-light and absorbs quickly, which is key when looking for a daily SPF moisturizer. The broad-spectrum SPF 50 offers high protection against sun damage, and the hyaluronic acid keeps the skin hydrated without making it greasy. It's the perfect product for anyone who wants hydration and protection in one. And it doesn't leave that sticky residue that some sunscreens do, which is a huge win in my book. Both products are incredibly easy to incorporate into a daily routine, and the fact that they are both fragrance-free makes them ideal for sensitive skin. Whether you're a skincare minimalist or looking to layer more products, these two deliver impressive results without complicating things. Pros? Well, both the Visible Repair Retinol Cream and the Hydro Boost SPF 50 moisturizer are highly hydrating, making them excellent for anyone who's dealing with dry or dehydrated skin. The addition of SPF 50 in the morning moisturizer is a huge plus, and the retinol cream is perfect for nighttime use, targeting those fine lines and spots. Both are lightweight, absorb quickly, and leave the skin feeling soft and smooth. As for cons, the only thing I can really point out is that the Visible Repair Cream may not be ideal for beginners with retinol. If you're new to retinol, you may want to ease into it to avoid irritation. But for those who have used retinol products before, this one should work just fine. Now let's talk value. The duo comes with two full-size products, and when you break it down, the price is pretty competitive given the quality of ingredients. Retinol, hyaluronic acid, and SPF are all known for their benefits. And when you factor in the dermatologist-recommended formulation, it's a solid investment for anyone looking for effective anti-aging and sun protection solutions. If you're already a fan of Neutrogena or similar dermatologist-backed skincare lines, this duo feels like a worthwhile purchase. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for something similar but more budget-friendly, products like CeraVe's AM Facial Moisturizer with SPF 30 or ROC Retinol Correction Deep Wrinkle Night Cream could serve as good options. They offer some of the same benefits, but at a slightly lower price point. In terms of build quality, both products come in sleek, easy-to-use packaging. The cream jar is sturdy and practical, and the pump on the moisturizer ensures clean application, preventing any contamination. Neither product feels flimsy, and the packaging is very user-friendly. As for longevity, the moisturizing effects are noticeable right away, and over time, both products seem to improve the skin's texture. While I can't speak to the long-term results just yet, based on my experience so far, I'm optimistic that these will continue to work effectively as I keep using them. If you've used these products or have any thoughts on Neutrogena skincare in general, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let's keep the conversation going. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.